Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sembut mendirang bak kajela bak Preston Tensong, ulo makasor kar hadut menta kadang ab ya kejubab. Naga Ministry of Defence benajaka kumbaar poinsan nilai akar. Kebadan Marpesha Capital Pom hayo molong. Naga bentam penkendia ay lais pa sa puat li long ying na tem yo molong. Hagajia akademik lat batai kubor ba Preston layat huru ba hagabiade ba ka Gurudwara. Empat ekranai penpra nama bikinang yalam jangka harijan penchayat komiti. Kelepen pau bagi kuat ban yo jaka sah hajan yo molong kenang bakan pensuk yaki ban penjan syakaniga jaka maniblay ke jongki.
Ngi la prepare ngau ngi phi namar ba kani ka jing prepare jungi kolong ba ngi sutu namar ka don hapo ka court kani ki issue ka don court case hapo ka honorable high court te ka ba ngi pen crack kolong ba ngi kwa ya ka ban resolve ka ni issue outside the court ngi kwa outside the court na daw ngi prepare ka to blueprint jungi na dong sedong kumno bengin ong yaki ba habangi relocate ka bamut mdai bangi be landet mdai bangi le bread yaki se klau se betap re ke jumut jong ni kolong ba ngi relocate no gi ha ka jaka ka ba kambiang ha ka ba kai ka sem kambiang nang ta ki basic amenities ki ba pit ba kata ka deka jingi ya keren te ha on basis jong tu jingi keren te ka ba kadu na kaliang jong ka HPC na tiru kiapan yang iya ka blueprint namar ba habangi om bangin settle no outside means we have to have ka give and take bagi kini la ka babiang nem kani to kladon ki kren la mursing la ya discuss na dong sedong te more or less la ya den ata te mereka bedang sa kalong satang ba satang gawe bat kata kalong bakadon ke sakawe ko option kaba nakaliang joki ke kawarla kadon ke kren nakaliang joki niki nakaliang joki neka kia kini yang ki Punjabi community ki Sikh community ki take up yang ni ka issue hang te dali bakai le je kendo wadu defense minister by themselves ban kerpat kelomba ladala balai bom ai hak defense land te ka nak kata daw ngi hadin ba ngiyo ya kani ka proposal ba hadin ba nakalian joki kilale je kendo syate syapo ki ha apo dali ngiru nakaliang romen ngi ong kataru kade ka option ko bapiang la ding yo ne kata nothing lagi ting la tho ngi kerpat jauh defense bisa la dolong pala ba un consider kini namar ka tu persya nang tai hadin ka petrol bom ka tu kade ka bangi ong ka jalum survey ka tu kade jong ka defense lan te ka ni i ka don ka bahkan plot ampu te na ka daw menta nilai kendu akan last time CM ban nilai kendu yo defense minister lai keren te udang examine ni macam kini kike te ingin persang karbala la deng yo saya kata let's say kanang kampen suk susu hakaba ngingin dot kapsu ban ajaka haga jaka begin ai kata saya po kato jaka government land nila ban penungkap setai te la long kumta ni kadang bahadang ma kata te pi ka kum bakalo menta kasakut syahanta Hakabangi ngidangnya apa atat laka di defense prinsip kan ong yes or no. La ka ong yes then again ngini syong biang baki ban ong ba to. Katu ka proposal tamar ba imat na kalian jong ka EU jongki ka community jongki playat tik lang ya ka issue te batnya biang lang ngiring ong na state government ni pediang tela dia bagi ong yes ka bumut ngin ship pada ka jaka kata kadeka ba long ni update ya kadeka case jong kadeka ba HPC ten rela dalong de kumwe pa la de kalong de kumwe pa ka bamut katu ka proposal ka bagi pa mangi ka bagi pa mangi ka blueprint ka bagi pa mangi ka long final na malai nang tam don option shoot de kumwe pa
bakadam ila bang itu katno ka jinghe jong ka jaka defense land ba ki pa
em krempan yo tali long ngan ya tu
em katno ai ka jinghe
ba ki makan ni mar around almost 2
dua karala ban penrung bro life pas of artillery
pi ka syong ha ka jaka namar ka jaka ka biang namar kate ka jaka kam de ka balum kam de ka ba kam lom kan de ka bagi pus bra kalong support te kalong riap kalong yu te ne ka teng i ka balong biang tengah try la se ban ar ban yu ngan try klala te rawat la ka taru ngimla ban ong kum no yum ta until last weekend lan mo ngi nak leng jongi la prepare lang yang tai ka jaka ban don bat jing school bat jing mani bat ka temple bat ka kum bakadon hang te ngi kwa bakadon tai kata kada keladon apa kabde rum ta kata pro khoj keladon apa to pursue it very aggressively to the government of India, especially with the Ministry of Defence, because this proposal again, the request to the government of India is to at least consider with 2 or 2.5 or 3 acres of land which is vacant, which is unutilized right now, just opposite of that petrol pump Yomaulong. If they can do that, I'm very sure within no time we'll be able to resolve this issue.
Religious institutions are the hurdles, major hurdles there.
What is
That they
it?
cannot dismantle the religious institutions there. Temple, church.
No, we are yet to reach to that point of discussion. We are yet to reach to that point of discussion because see, whatever they said, we wanted to get near the old place. That's what we are trying to get, that old place. If we get nothing like it, but if we don't, we already prepared the blueprint from the state government. We already prepared everything. It is already in our hands. So now we have to just wait if we can again maybe get the blessing of the government of India for that plot which we already proposed, and even from the HPC themselves they already proposed. If we get that, maybe that should be the best solution.